Besides Taiwan Province Dao, do you know which other three major territories China urgently needs to reclaim? The first is the southern Tibet region. It is located on the southern side of the Himalayas, with a total area of over 90,000 square kilometers, equivalent to 3 Taiwan islands. This is not just an ordinary border mountain area, but an important gateway from the Qinghai Tibet Plateau to South Asia. Influenced by the warm and humid air currents from the Indian Ocean, the southern Tibet valleys are crisscrossed, densely forested, and have a humid climate, earning it the nickname Jiangnan of Tibet. Yet, this piece of land that belongs to China has long been illegally occupied by India. India not only uses the so-called McMahon Line as an excuse, but also established the so-called Arunachal Pradesh, attempting to turn illegal occupation into a fait accompli. For China, southern Tibet is not a distant valley, but a strategic gateway in the southwest border that must be defended. The second area is the Spratly Islands. The Spratlys are located at the southernmost tip of the South China Sea and are the most strategically important part of China's South China Sea islands. These islands and reefs connect the Pacific and Indian Oceans, serving as an important maritime passage and a strategic barrier for China's southern maritime borders. The surrounding area of the Spratlys is rich in fishery resources and also contains significant oil and gas resources, which are crucial to China's maritime rights and energy security. However, the reality is that some of the Spratly Islands and reefs have long been illegally occupied by neighboring countries. Some have built facilities, some have reclaimed land, and some have continuously strengthened their presence, attempting to turn occupation into permanent possession. The Spratlys are not just a few small dots on a map, but the core support of China's sovereignty and strategic security in the South China Sea. The third area is the Socotra Rock, located on the continental shelf of the East China Sea off the coast of Jiangsu, about 150 nautical miles from Nantong. It is an underwater reef submerged below the sea surface. Although it cannot support human habitation and is not an island above water, its location is crucial to the exclusive economic zone of the East China Sea, continental shelf, fishery resources, and maritime routes. As early as the late Qing dynasty, the Socotra Rock was clearly marked on the naval charts of the Beiyang fleet, and the surrounding waters have long been an area of activity for Chinese fishermen. However, since the 1980s, South Korea has unilaterally included it in its so-called maritime zone, later setting up buoys and building marine platforms to strengthen its actual presence. Socotra Rock may seem like just a piece of seabed rock, but it is actually a key coordinate for the rights in the East China Sea.